Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be getting into another best secret reselling vendors. So just to start off, I finally got my mic fixed. If you can't tell, I think I got it fixed. So it's all set up now, so my mic quality is going to be a lot better throughout all these other videos. And also, just a little preface before the video starts, all links are going to be in the description for all these products, so you don't have to manually search for them. Just check for them right down there in that description and you'll see them. Okay. Just, I appreciate all the attention my channel has gotten recently. I really am thankful for it. If you guys wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, it's really helpful for me. But yeah, all right, let's actually get into the video now. Let's start off with our first product, a Blue Day Chanel. So as you can see here, it works really. I don't know why that's up. There we go. It looks pretty good. It smells really good, and it's only $46. And then if you check out the reference from Sephora themselves, it's $135. So you could probably realistically put this up for $100 and make about $50 every single time someone buys one. So that's going to be the first link in the description. You can definitely check this one out. And then let's move to our next one. Let's move to a certain hoodie. It's like a very trending, I honestly don't know that much about it, but it's a very trending online type of hoodie right now. So you can definitely get them. I typically do this one because I've seen a lot more customers on it, but you can also try this one. I've also seen some people getting action on the like one with that on the front, the different words on the front. So yeah, I would definitely check this one out. As you can see, it's got a lot of good reviews, a lot sold. And then you can check out the reference from Spider, and you can see this goes for 140, and then this one goes for 46.32 at discounts. So you could probably put this up for like 100 and then make $70 every single time someone buys one. You could probably honestly maybe push it 110, 120, and you'd still get customers just because it's such a trending product. All right, let's move on to our next one. This one's kind of an underrated, more niche than it already is pick. You can see all these, and you can definitely check out the, these fleeces. But my recommendation is these shorts down here. They're kind of underrated, and they're a very dad-esque product. So you can definitely check them out, and they're only $28. And then if you check on Amazon, you can see they go for like 55-ish. So you could probably put this up for like 40, especially on those local marketplaces, and make $20. And it's a really good intro product since it is only like $30. And like I said, it's a very dad-centered product. I feel like a lot of dads would buy this from what I've seen. Lots of dads tend to buy these Nike things, or younger teenagers, younger men too. But yeah, that's going to be all for today. Again, all links are in the description, so you can check them all out from there, all the products from there. Again, like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your night. See you guys later. Real quick, I'll add another video tag in the corner if you guys want to check out any more videos and any more products. But yeah, that's it. Love you guys. Peace out. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate it. Good night.